So, Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Starting with a nice decontamination process. The car was pretty clean when it got here. So we started with Purifica foam pre-wash. A mineral deposit lime scaling solution in the 3 pH wash system of Labocosmetica. So we take... oh, thank you for the update. My phone just gave me an update about my phone bill. So it's going to be a very happy moment at the end of the month, of course. I'm now going to rinse the car. And after that, this is a perfect opportunity to show the performance of the Satino on this beautiful Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Yes. Yes. Let's get some fresh Satino here on the pad. So Wayne has already started to rinse the car. So you can see how easy this shampoo makes. No surface tension whatsoever. It's very easy to wash the car like this. Now, we did a pretty good pre-wash, so forgive me for going back and forth on one pad without rinsing, but I gotta show you how easy this glove is going over to the surface. And then we can see, oh my god, this car is so freaking beautiful. It's really difficult to stay focused on the job because the beauty of the car is really distracting. Really distracting. I tell you honestly. That's some nice action. Now, Satino does not provide protection in a sealant wise. It gives you protection against UV for at least 2 weeks. It breaks down the calcium so you don't have any troubles when you are drying the car. Especially lime scaling is a problem on this kind of car. So we started with a pre-wash of Purifica to get the mineral deposits from the surface and then wash the car with Satino. Highly lubricating action. So you see, it doesn't provide any beading or sheeting, but it helps reduce surface tension without adding protection or shine. Because what you want to keep with these matte cars is the natural matte look of the finish. Wow, wow, what a car. It is a little bit mind-blowing for me. A little bit. I'll tell you honest. You like it? Yeah. It's a lot faster than air, right? Watch out, don't touch the ground. Here we go.